Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix that you can't play songs offline. Because if I am having a playlist right here and I click on the download button and I turn my Wi-Fi and my mobile data off, I can play this song still without any Wi-Fi. But yeah, sometimes you can do this and it won't work on Spotify. So I will show you exactly what you need to do now. Alright, what you need to do now is go to your library, go to your profile picture, click on settings and privacy, and then from here click on storage. And right now you see here the option offline listening. Now let's turn on Wi-Fi, let's turn on mobile data. And right now, if you can see that this option offline listening is turned on my phone. But when you didn't or never turn this one on, you are not available to listen offline to your songs. So make sure that you turn this one on. After this, you can download the playlist. Because look, if I turn this one off, it says disable offline listening. You won't be able to play content offline on this device anymore. So you need to make sure that you turn this setting on. Alright, this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.